High in the Andes Mountains of Peru lies an ancient citadel, shrouded in mystery and history. Welcome to Machu Picchu, one of the most iconic archaeological sites in the world. Built in the 15th century by the Inca Empire, Machu Picchu is a testament to their architectural prowess and deep connection with nature. Discovered in 1911 by American historian Hiram Bingham, this lost city of the Incas continues to fascinate scholars, tourists, and adventurers alike. But what makes Machu Picchu so special? In this video, we'll delve into the history, architecture, and cultural significance of this incredible site. Machu Picchu was constructed during the height of the Inca Empire, around 1450 AD, under the reign of Emperor Pachacati. Situated in the Sacred Valley, this site served as a royal estate, a religious sanctuary, and a hub for agriculture and astronomy. The Incas were master builders and agricultural innovators. The terraces of Machu Picchu not only provided space for crops but also prevented soil erosion and managed water resources efficiently. These terraces allowed the Incas to grow a variety of crops in an environment where traditional farming would have been impossible. Machu Picchu's architecture is a marvel of engineering and design. The Incas used a technique called ashlar masonry, where stones were cut to fit together without mortar. This method ensured the structures were stable and could withstand earthquakes, which are common in the region. Among the many fascinating structures at Machu Picchu, the Intihuatana stone stands out. This ritual stone is believed to have been an astronomical clock or calendar, indicating the Incas' deep understanding of astronomy. The Temple of the Sun, with its precisely aligned windows, captured the sun's rays during the solstices, highlighting the Incas' reverence for the sun god, Inti. The Room of the Three Windows offers breathtaking views and symbolizes the three realms of Inca mythology: the underworld, the earth, and the heavens. Despite its grandeur, Machu Picchu was abandoned less than a century after its construction. The reasons remain unclear, but theories suggest that the Spanish conquest, disease, and political strife may have played a role. The site was never discovered by the conquistadors, preserving its pristine condition until its rediscovery in the early 20th century. When Hiram Bingham arrived at Machu Picchu in 1911, he was led by local farmers who knew of the site's existence. Bingham's subsequent excavations and publications brought international attention to Machu Picchu, sparking a wave of archaeological interest and tourism. Machu Picchu holds immense cultural significance for the people of Peru and the indigenous communities of the Andes. It is a symbol of Inca ingenuity, resilience, and spiritual connection with the natural world. Today, Machu Picchu is celebrated through festivals, traditional ceremonies, and as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Machu Picchu is not just a tourist destination, it is a living testament to our heritage. We continue to honor our ancestors by preserving this site and sharing its stories with the world. Getting to Machu Picchu is an adventure in itself. The famous Inca Trail, a multi-day trek through stunning landscapes, offers a glimpse into the journey ancient pilgrims might have taken. For those seeking a more comfortable route, train services from Cusco and Ollantaytambo provide breathtaking views as they wind through the Sacred Valley. The town of Aguas Calientes serves as the gateway to Machu Picchu. From here, a short bus ride or a challenging hike brings visitors to the entrance of the citadel. The anticipation builds as you make your way through the clouds, finally revealing the awe-inspiring view of Machu Picchu. Welcome to Machu Picchu. Let's start our tour with the main plaza, where ceremonies and gatherings took place. Over here, you'll see the Temple of the Sun, dedicated to Inti, the sun god. As we move through the residential areas, notice the sophisticated water channels and fountains that supplied fresh water to the inhabitants. For the adventurous, hikes up Huayna Picchu or Machu Picchu Mountain offer unparalleled views of the citadel and surrounding landscape. These hikes are challenging but reward trekkers with a unique perspective of this ancient wonder. Preserving Machu Picchu is an ongoing effort. Archaeologists and conservationists work tirelessly to maintain the site and prevent damage from natural erosion and increasing tourism. Sustainable tourism practices are essential to ensure that future generations can experience the magic of Machu Picchu. When visiting Machu Picchu, it's important to respect the site and follow guidelines to minimize impact. Stick to designated paths, avoid touching the structures, and be mindful of the delicate ecosystem. Machu Picchu has captured the imagination of people around the world. It has been featured in countless documentaries, travel shows, and movies, cementing its status as a cultural icon. From National Geographic specials to appearances in blockbuster films, Machu Picchu continues to inspire awe and wonder. Machu Picchu is more than just an archaeological site. It is a window into the past, a symbol of human ingenuity, and a testament to the enduring spirit of the Inca civilization. Whether you're a history buff, an adventurer, or simply a curious traveler, Machu Picchu offers an unforgettable experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Machu Picchu. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more incredible travel stories and adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.